Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this picture of a mouse, a computer mouse, and want to take away the background. This is one of the easiest things you'll ever do. It's less than 4 inches wide, so I've set my nudge factor on 4. I always make a copy of it. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to trace bitmap, outline trace, and Clipart. And we're going to nudge the whole time. We don't want to move it. We're going to nudge it. And I'm just going to say, okay, and I'm going to nudge that out of the way. Now that looks pretty bad. But what you do is take a rectangle, take your smart fill tool, fill it in with any color, move that over, and then fill in the color. I'm going to change color just so you can see. Doesn't really matter. You don't have to. And then I'm going to nudge it over twice and put it on top of our original mouse. I'm going to select both of them, and I'm going to go up here to intersect. And by doing that, now I have a exact copy of that mouse with no background. Pretty easy, pretty quick. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.